booties are alive. They're so dead, they're alive. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Bitch, I'm
Go
doing.
ahead and bring opposite ankle.
Oh, we got more? Oh, word, we got more, bitch. Hold on.
I am pouring.
I can't even breathe. That shit is already difficult.
That was absolute insanity.
Oh, it's a stretch.
But I love
we doing stretches.
Did you like it too? Did you like it too?
We love stretching queen.
Let me know in the comments how your booty feels right now. Also, because this is the final video in your 12 minutes to tone series, I gotta start thinking about the next set of workouts. What should we do? I mean, there's so many options. So if you guys have ideas, please tell me in the comments below. I will be reading everything, and hopefully one of your ideas will be the inspiration for the next set of videos that I'm gonna fight this bitch. I'm calling the cops. That's what I'm doing. I'm calling the cops. I'm alerting the authorities. I got an Xbox One, a GameCube. I got a Dreamcast. Oh, I'm just kidding. Bitch, someone just said why? Why not? Y'all over here eating all the Cheetos up while we're hiding out. Y'all over there eating damn hot. Honey, it's postponed. Stubborn Fat is canceled. The tour is postponed. But that is canceled. Hold on, bitch. It's not over. I'm doing arms next, bitch. I'm not getting a PS4. I don't care. The more everyone tells me get a PS4, you're lame because you have an Xbox, the less I want to get a PS4. Just to prove a point. What are we doing next? I want to do more butt. Can I do more ass? I have nothing to do, bitch. Should I just do more ass? I want to do standing ass. I don't want to do that laying down shit. I want to do some kicks. Y'all are dumb. Hey MTV, I love you. I forgot your name. Please don't hate me. Should I do more butt? Do you think I'll hurt myself if I do more butt? I'm not scared. I'm not scared, bitch. I'm been destructible. I've been destructible. And I might be sick. And I might have a virus, but I'm not scared. I'm just not scared. I'm gonna keep on doing what I need to do to get the butt that I need. So let's go. That I want, by the way. I don't need the butt. I want the butt. Hold on. Butt workout. Resistance bands. I don't have that. All I have is shoelaces. Hold on. 20 minutes. I don't know if I can do that. Hold on now. Oh, she's on the ground. Yes, make me a Corona wig, please. Can you make a green and purple? No, I'm not sick. I drank last night, so I'm like, let me do some Pilates. Because I'm going to be home. And I can't make this regular. Ooh, a 7-minute booty burn? Ooh, I could do that. Girl, what is a quarantine? Someone just said, how is quarantine? Let's do 7 minutes.
Good to see you. Hey, what's with the polka dots. What do you mean? Polka dots are out. It's focus. Hey you guys, Cassie here. Today we are going to be doing a 7-minute booty lifting routine.
Let's do it.
Knee. You're going to lift up this leg just like that, okay? Hand on the hip.
No,
and you're
we did
simply
that
going
already.
to...
I want to do some standing ones. I want to do some squats. Did I watch that already? I want to do some squatties. Do some squatties, daddies. Oh my god, look at Paper Magazine and MTV falling in love. How cute. Look at them. You guys are adorable. What do we... I'm trying to find... What's a muffin top massacre, sis? Let's do that.
Hey guys, Cassie here, and welcome to your
that
Muffin
butt
Top
shit.
Massacre. Reach, come back up. Beautiful.
What is she doing? Oh.
Coming down. And,
Oh no, sis.
and it is going
Oh
to feel
no,
good.
sis. Oh no, sister.
And come back all the way to starting. See that? Caress the baby. Here we go. And down, ballet, and lift, caress. And down, hold, lift. You're going to feel it all.
I ain't doing all that. What she got? What's the new stuff? Because this is from 2013. What else you get? 10-minute arm toner. Oh, let's do arms. Let's do arms. I've done everything. I did legs, I did ass, I did abs.
Thank
Now let's
you.
do-
I finally
let's
hit
do arms.
rock bottom
Sisters,
when
sister
I
arms.
realized.
And I don't have a yoga mat, so please make that dog. Let's go. Come on, bitch.
Hey guys, Cassie here. Welcome to your Total Body Transformation series. So today we're going to work my favorite body part in the world to work. Like, look, I love abs, but I kind of like working my arms even more because they transform really fast for me, especially my shoulders. You know how some people can do squats and then their booty just automatically lifts? That's not my butt. That's for me, shoulder presses and
Okay, sis, you look cute, but let's go. Come on.
today is because
Oh, are we
Estelle,
using
you guys,
dumbbells?
I'm
I
just the
don't have
type of
any
person that gets
dumbbells.
really attracted to shiny things.
True, I need dumbbells. Could I use Patron bottles? Does that work? I have 2 bottles of Patron. Hold on. Can we use olive oil? Is that dangerous? What? Oh. Let's do that. This is not 10 pounds, but it's something. Does this work? Does this work? Can I do this? Does anybody know if I can do this? Can we use water? It's so light. I need sticks with marshmallows on the end of them. Remember SpongeBob? Remember that show?
Things in pretty colors. So, you know what I'm saying? So, overhead triceps.
Oh, we can't do arms. I can't do. There's no weight on this. Use detergent. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. I don't get the whole working out thing, so I'm just gonna. Oh, my detergent's empty. Oh, stinky sis. Damn. Can I use a toaster? What about candles? so dangerous. That's no way. Yeah, alright, fuck it. Never mind, you guys. That was fun, though. I'm done. I'm done here. I feel like I could do abs one more time. Wait, I have a question before I leave, you guys. Because I don't know. I could just ask my trainer, but I'm going to ask you guys. Could you, like, really hurt yourself if you just worked out all day? Like, how bad is it to just work out all day? Like, what if I don't want to do 30 minutes of Pilates? Can I do like 3 hours? Not straight. Like, break it up. Probably. Stretch. Someone said stretch. Yeah, true. That lactic acid buildup, though. Chloe Ting. You could pull a muscle. It's gonna hurt and you might tear your muscle. Make sure you stretch. Take a break in between. Can you work out 2 times a day? You know what? Fuck that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this right now, and then later tonight, I could do this shit again. Yes, yes. Nah, you'll be fine. I know, but I don't feel like, I feel like I should be in pain right now. Like, I don't feel that. I'm not, I guess maybe I gotta wait to be sore. This bitch had me on the floor like this, bitch. She said, cross your leg over and tie your legs in a bow, and then fucking go like this. Bitch, that shit is no fucking joke. Fuck that. I'm doing that tonight. Huh. So you shouldn't always be sore? Work out with me. If I come on live, you know what? If I do caffeine every day and work, will you guys work out with me? MTV is our friend. MTV's our bestie. Wow. Anyway, love you guys. I'm out of here. God bless. Wash your hands. Wash your ass. Hi, Bree Runway. Oh my god. I love you. Wait. Work out with me. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that means I'm working out. All right, fine. I'm working out every day. Let's do this. Caffeine, you guys. Watch me on my caffeine. And, yeah.